Hi, my name is Vanessa Del Rio, and this is the Al Resort located in Dubai. The Al Spa is expanding and will soon open a spa at 1215 Bordeaux Drive, Sunnyvale, California. As I researched Al I found that Islam is prominent in Dubai. I began to look into the making of Islamic pottery and the different phases clay goes through. Clay goes through 6 phases before it becomes a pottery piece. The first one being slip, which is the addition to water, plastic when it's being molded, leather when pattern and texture is being added to the surface, bone dry when it's hardened, bisque when it's completely dry through the kiln, and glazing, which is the final stage of sealing and decorating. I wanted the layout to allow clients to start at the back of the building and proceed through each phase until they reach the end of their journey. During this post-pandemic era, we are all feeling like dirt in its beginning stages of clay. Al provides 6 phases of treatments to undergo in order to feel beautiful and renewed like freshly glazed pottery. In Islam, teal is known to have mystical qualities, so I decided to complement the teal geometric tiling with warm tones. Continuing with the teal throughout the space, I toned it down with softer tones in the treatment rooms and included Islamic tiles representing the geometrical patterns on Islamic pottery. The furniture throughout the space consists of cotton, wicker, and wood. The sections shown are the staff and storage room, the sauna, the treatment rooms, the pool, lobby, the locker rooms, and the lounge area. The reflected ceiling plan shows the locations of the chandeliers, the domes, the drop ceilings, and the receding lighting fixtures. The massing model was used to get a sense of the space, make changes, and move forward with the final layout plan. Islamic architecture was added by incorporating arches. As you walk into the lobby, you encounter 3 large domes representing turned over pottery bowls, and the geometric pattern as well as the glazing is represented by the teal tile and the stained glass. Shelving is placed to exhibit Islamic pottery that can be purchased as well. Ceramic glazes are made up of various metals and silica, which is glass. In order to play with the geometrical patterns, the vibrant colors, and the glass component, I decided to create a backlit stained glass hall and dome in order to see and feel the vibrant colors and patterns reflected on your skin. The lounge area features geometrical Islamic tiling and a view to the patio. The pool area, which is the first stage of clay, is the representation of introduction to water. Yoga represents the 3rd stage of clay, which is when clay is at its most flexible and still strong enough to withstand the addition of texture. Curtains were placed to add a touch of softness throughout the space, as well as providing privacy or an open room for groups of 3. The final model was made of balsa wood, acrylic sheets, and gems for the reflective ceiling plan. Thank you so much for your time. I hope you've enjoyed my presentation.